Shalom. Today under our Department of USA Immigration, we are going to specifically touch the subject of a green card for a parent of a US citizen. And basically, first of all, I think it's important to note that usually we're dealing with a child that was naturalized himself or herself, because if the parents aren't U.S. citizens, then many times we're dealing with children that were naturalized. So it's important to note for them that they must be citizens themselves. Meaning, if they are on a working visa in the U.S. or only have a green card, they cannot yet invite their parents. Another issue that rises a lot is whether there's like an age limit, an age where from the child can invite the parent, and an age limit for the parent. So yeah, it's important to understand the child must be 21 years of age in order to invite his parents. And regarding the parents, there is no age limit. The parents can be 120 years old even. However, the child needs to show financial ability to support his parents, which is a very important condition for the U.S. government. Another question we're asked a lot is the time frame. How long does it take, basically, from the time you apply until the green card is approved? So we're dealing more or less with a process of 1 to 2 years, and it depends on the location where the child lives in the United States and on the USCIS office where the application is handled. Unfortunately, you cannot choose the USCIS office you apply in because it's an arbitrary decision made by the U.S. government, which is relevant and dependent on the geographical location of the U.S. Citizen child. Another question we're asked is regarding documents. Which documents do you need to submit for this process? So basically, we're dealing with two sets of documents that we constructed logically here. The first set is basically documents relating to the connection between the child and the parent, and documents for the population registrar of almost any country. So we're dealing with birth certificate connecting between the child to the parent. If the parents are married, then a marriage certificate. If they're divorced, a divorce certificate. If there were any name changes, name change documents. A police background check to show that they have no criminal record. And then the other set is financial ability proof. So the child needs to show that he has ongoing income. He needs to show that he submitted tax reports in the last 3 years. If he has any assets, he needs to prove that. And basically, he needs to show that he has the financial ability to support his parents, so his parents won't be a financial burden on the USA. Another question we're asked a lot is about additional siblings, because many times when the parent gets the green card to join the child in the US, and if there are other siblings in Israel, then the other siblings want to join the family that relocated to the United States. Unfortunately, for siblings, the process is very long, and it takes around 15 years before the green card application is even approved, perhaps. Whereas for the parent, we're dealing with a 1 to 2 year straightforward, much more simple process. So our advice usually is not to apply for a green card for siblings, and if there is an opportunity for another option for relocation or visa to the U.S., to choose the other option. I hope that this information was clear, and if you have any further questions or clarifications, you can feel free to contact us. Thank you for your time.